Hi, I'm Mary Oquendo, author, columnist, educator, coach in the professional pet industry, and this is welcome to my Ask Me Anything. So, continuing on the burnout question. So today's question is, how can you tell if you're burnt out? Okay, so going down the rabbit hole, I came up with and I found something from two psychologists, Gail North and Herbert Friedenberger, and they have what is called the 12 stages of burnout. And like anything that has stages to it, 1, 4, 8, whatever order, some, all. So these are what they have designated as the 12 stages of burnout. Number 1, an urgent need to prove yourself. And this is the earliest phase of burnout. You want to do well to the point of perfectionism, okay? For fear of not fulfilling demands. 2, you're working harder. You feel the need to do everything yourself and complete tasks as soon as possible. 3, neglecting your needs. You think stress of work or activities such as caregiving, you think that's perfectly normal. You neglect your social life and you look down on others who pursue one. You begin to start making small mistakes. 4, now there's more interpersonal conflicts. You have conflicts with coworkers, friends, and your partner. You're not sleeping well. You have other complaints, and you become forgetful. 5, a revision of values. You begin to see things differently and become to be like insensitive to others around you. Family and friends are all now secondary to your goals. Denial, that's number 6. Bitterness and cynicism creep in. You begin to cut yourself off from others. You become impatient, you're intolerant and angry. Your performance suffers and you feel physical discomfort. 7, withdrawal. Dealing with others feels like a burden. You get angry if someone criticizes you, and you may be disoriented or helpless. At this stage, you may even self-medicate with alcohol or any drugs. 8, behavioral changes. Apathy sets in and nothing matters. You avoid additional responsibilities. 9, depersonalization. You use your sense of identity, seeing yourself as only the vessel through which work and responsibilities are completed. Your life feels meaningless and you begin to neglect your health. 10, you feel empty. Exhaustion, anxiety, and panic start to set in. 11, despair. You may have feelings of self-hatred or depression coupled with suicidal thoughts. This is a very dangerous stage in burnout. So we talked last week about how burnout can lead to depression if there's no intervention. And then 12, total burnout. This is the last phase of mental and emotional collapse and it requires immediate care. All right. So burnout is not something to be taken lightly. Okay. Got a question for me? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.